Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch S, and today I'm going to show you how to change the straps on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to change the straps, first you will need to remove the old ones, and to do that, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on, and basically you need to pull it towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, it will let you to release the strap from the watch, like this. I don't know if you can tell, but basically you grab it, preferably with something flat or your fingernail, you pull it towards the middle of the strap, maybe like this, and once you pull on it, you can remove the strap from the watch. And this mechanism quite simple. Basically, you have pin on each side of the strap, and those pins are locked right here on one side and the other side of the watch in the holes. And once you pull on the pin, one of the pins basically retracts, hides inside of the strap, which allows you to pull out the strap from the watch. And let's say you get the new straps and you want to put them on. It's also quite simple. You grab the strap, you grab the watch, you insert the pin opposite from the lever into a watch, like this rather. Then you pull on the lever to retract the pin, align it with the other hole, release it, and once it clicks in, the strap will hold. Quite simple, quite effective, one of the best systems out there. Okay, and then like this, pull on the lever, align it, release it. And here we have new straps attached. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.